Okay guys, Harry Haythorne here. I was asked to show how to remove the Railway Express agency lettering on a Walthers baggage car to do the experienced Union Pacific baggage car. As many of you guys are doing them, some of you don't know how to remove that lettering, or don't know that you have to remove that lettering. You do, because that's right where the road number goes. So I'm going to show you guys how to remove it. It's very simple, very effective. You can do this in a matter of minutes to remove that lettering. So here's what we need. You need a regular old pencil with a good eraser, soft brush, microsol from Microscale, which is in the red bottle, and I recommend a little masking tape to tape over your bottom red stripe, just to eliminate the possibility of wiping some of that paint off the surface there. So we'll take this, make sure we're good and taped. Get your letters wet. Always put the lid back on your microsol. I speak from personal experience of many spilled bottles of microsol. And you let it set a little bit, 15, 20, maybe 30 seconds. Just go gentle at first. You don't want to try to take it all away right away. You'll burn through the paint. I've never had that problem, but I've known guys that it's happened to, and I've had guys send me cars that needed repainted after they've done that. As you can see, it takes it away almost instantly. Not a lot of effort required. If you feel that you're starting to get to where you're burning through the paint, if your eraser starts picking up a yellow or orange tint, so that's when it's time to apply more microsol. As you can see, the star and the Railway Express lettering is gone. The railway is now gone. Little ghost letter there, but we'll get it gone. And from the R, come over here to the Express. See, it's a little bit stubborn yet, so we'll take a little microsol, do that with it, let it sit a few seconds. Look at that. Still got just a little bit of red right there. A little bit of red from the star. blow the eraser rubbings off of there. Pull that off. And it's gone. Blow it off. The next thing I'll do, I'll take a damp paper towel and wipe that surface just to make sure that all the microsol is gone, and dry it off, and it's ready to start the application of the decals. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope this helped you out. I know there's a lot of guys out there doing these cars right now, and I've been asked multiple times how I get the numbers and letters off factory painted cars. That's the technique that I've used for forever. So there you go, guys.